Hi, my name is Carolyn Grace Holland, G011-83711, and this is my 3-bit RCA circuit for ACE 231 Lab 4. Make sure that's on. Okay. So the first set of values that we were asked to do are A0 is 0, B0 is 1, A1 is 0, B1 is 1, and A2 and B2 are 0. So that gives us an output of S0 and S1 are 1, and S2 and C out are 0. So for the next set of values, we had A0 and B0 are both 1, A1, B1, and A2 are all 0, and then B2 is 1. So that gives us an output of S1 and S2 are 1, while S0 and C out are both 0. So the next set of values are A0 and B0 are 0, A1 and B1 are both 1, and A2 is 0, and B2 is 1. So that gives us an output of C out is 1, and S0, S1, and S2 are all 0. So the next set of values is A0, B0, A1, and B1 are all 1, A2 and B2 are 0. So that gives us an output of S0 and C out are 0, S1 and S2 are 1. So the next set of values is A0 is 0, B0 is 1, A1 and B1 are 0, and A2 and B2 are 1. So that gives us an output of S0 and C out are 1, and S1 and S2 are 0. So then the next set of values is we have A0 and B0 as 1, A1 is 0, and then B1 and A2 are 1, B2 is 0. So that gives us an output of C out is 1, and S0, S1, and S2 are all 0. So for the next set of values, we have A0 is 0, B0 is 1, A1 is 1, B1 is 1, and A2 is 1, and B2 is 0. So that gives us an output of S0 and C out are 1, and S1 and S2 are 0. So the next set of values is A0 and B0 are 0, A1, B1, A2, and B2 are all 1. So that gives us an output of S2 and C out are 1, S0 and S1 are 0. So the next set of values are A0, B0, and A1 are 1, B1 is 0, A2 is 1, and B2 is 0. That gives us an output of C out equals 1, and S0, S1, and S2 are 0. So for the final set of values, we have A0 is 1, B0 is 1, A1 is 1, B1 is 0, and then A2 and B2 are 1. And that gives us an output of S0 and S1 are 0, and S2 and C out are 1. Thanks.